May I just
Joel and then
pause a parliamentary inquiry?
Senator.
Yes. You know, Madam
Senator
Chair,
Joel.
first of all, I'm just disappointed, Madam Chair, that every single department, agency that would come here seems to be not aware of our topic and what we will be discussing here. And there's not much preparation at all going on. I've been here for 4 hours today. 4 hours. I've been here 9:30, 9:40. And I would like to ask, and again, ask the committee, the request of this representation. We have been asking for so long, since the first hearing of this committee, about the thought process, the protocols that come with all these departments, whether it's Bureau of Immigration, National Bureau of Investigation, Department of Justice, etc. Hanggang ngayon po, Madam Chair, wala akong nare-receive. I just don't know kung nag-submit na po sila dito sa committee. And if they don't submit it, Madam Chair, I'm making a commitment that come budget deliberation of these agencies, I will defer their budget immediately, Madam Chair. Dahil parang walang nag-aaral dito sa atin kundi mga senador.
Comsec, could we know kung may nakapag-submit na ng mga protocols? So, and this will be made available to Senator Joel and the other members of the committee. Yung mga nagsumite na po ng kanilang mga protocol sa pag-imbestiga ng ganitong mga POGO-related issues na ating dinidinig ay yung NBI, salamat po, at yung CAAP, salamat po. So the others have yet to submit. Senator Joel.
Thank you, NBI and CAAP.
Yes.
So wala pa hong sinubmit ang Bureau of Immigration. Wala rin sinubmit yung ilang ahensya ng pamahalaan. Yung PNP, wala pa rin sinubmit. Kaya ho tayo nakakalungkot, para tayo mga tatanga-tanga, pag yung Al Jazeera nakita na natin, tapos sasabihin natin, o sige, maniwalaan na natin yan. Kasi wala pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon nagagawa. Wala pa rin initial report. Wala pa rin report na binibigay dito. Hingi kami ng hingi sa inyo. Para saan pa yung budget na binibigay sa inyo? Gusto ko lang sabihin yon, Madam Chair. And I'm just so pissed that every time we invite somebody from the government, whether it's a bureau or a department, an agency, mag-aaral naman kayo pag pupunta kayo dito and anticipate already what we will be asking. Please, Madam Chair, I'm just not happy the way we're being treated by these agencies. Akala nyo, alam nyo, totoo, mapagpasensya kami, mababait itong mga senador, pero hindi kami tanga para lokohin nyo at paligoy-liguhin ninyo. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator Joel.
Madam Chair.
Serving notice to the other agencies who have yet to submit, pakisubmit within this hearing. Wag nyo na pong intayin yung motion ni Senator Joel.